Morning traders, and this is your Dax day trade setup for today. So it is total carnage at the moment. US futures are down 4.5% at the moment. The Dax is down 5.7%. Oil is down 32%, and Corona fear is properly in the market this morning. So the Dax had a 1,000-point gap down, and the Dow had a 1,000-point gap down in the futures market, and the Dax is going to have a similar thing. So it's trading right now at 10.8. Okay, so which is somewhere around here. That's around a 700-point gap down at the moment. So that's 10.825. Okay, so if I just on the weekly and I just look to the left, you can see what I'm looking at. So there's some support here. There's support further down. There is a bit more support further down, and there's even more support further down. But looking at the daily, that's where we need to pick this up. I'll just need to come to here and go left. Right, now you can see that the weekly support is here at 10.825, which is roughly where we are now. Then I have this inside bar here. Then I have a Brooks gap, and then I have a proper gap. I think this area is going to get targeted. So 10.418 is pretty much what I think we're going to get targeted. Probably today, by the looks of things. This is really just carnage right now. Now we do have a flag, remember, from last week, and this is the breakout. That flag target is even further down past the gap at 10.097. I'd probably round that off to 10,000. Okay, so that's kind of the view that I have at the moment. Short it is. Just be careful of tracing the short at the gap. So I'll wait to see any sort of pullback or any form of structure. So any sort of range or consolidation pattern, and then a break to the downside that will trigger another short for me to the downside. The way it looks, I think the markets are really in panic mode right now. So just go with the flow. Trend is down. There's no reason to try and go long at the moment. So even if you do get in incorrectly, I think it'll still correct and come back down and put you back into profit. So small positions it is, and good stop, wide stops it is, but looking for the zone. We're already in the zone, but you're looking to find some stability here, but I still think it'll be short until we find any form of stability. Okay, anyway guys, hope that helps you, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.